I'm Brian, and I teach kids how to design, code, and create. I'm here to show you how to take something from imagination and make it into a reality. After getting my degree in media arts and animation and teaching for years, I've seen that the hardest thing for parents is to get their kids to focus on a subject long enough to get some real results and feel proud of their accomplishments. Your kids probably know how to use your phone better than you do, and we know why. Because when they were little and you needed a moment to yourself to finish that email or fix dinner, you'd hand them your phone and they would watch a video or play a game. And now that they're getting older, and I see them in class, many don't know the difference between a left and a right mouse click because they're so used to touchscreens on a tablet. What if I told you that I can change the way that they're looking at technology and transform their screen time from entertainment to productivity? Not only that, but my students get to experience multiple disciplines and find out for themselves what they're really passionate about. We provide students with a project-based learning environment which gives them a strong sense of accomplishment. Listen, I'm going to show you how after just one class with me, I'm going to take your kid from knowing nothing about the software to being able to create a physical object of their choosing that they can hold in their hands, play with it, or give it as a gift, or just put it on the shelf and feel proud every time they look at it. Just to keep things interesting, when you click on this link, there's going to be a gift waiting for you on the other side. This gift is only available while we're running this ad, and the only way to get there is by clicking this link. Look, I know you're probably thinking that your kids are already in a bunch of other activities, and how in the world are you going to find the time for another class for them? However, in today's global economy, anyone who wants to advance in a meaningful career cannot compete without a solid working knowledge of computers. So click on the button and let me show you a quick example of what they can expect to learn from me in just one class, and I know you're going to love and appreciate the gift.